morning, or should I say hola. You know, it's the day after England just got beat. So, you know, speaking a bit of Spanish, you know, today we're going to take them to the Spanish trenches, aka the favelas. You want to play the clampers? Come and play the clampers. Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Right now we're sitting pretty at the top of the tree. Trying to put the champagne on ice. Hey, you know what it is, man. You know the routine already. So let's get into it. Alright people, you know what's going on, man. The CC at the Fives. It's Citèh versus COG or COG, however you want to pronounce it. Yeah? Start the game off. Let me first tell you that we was light on players today. We had to recruit some old boys. Shout out Sam for bringing the boy Dazza down. He had to dust the cobwebs off the boots. We got Sam outfield. We got Chris in goal. We got the regulars though. We got Matt, Cam, and the boy David. Anyway, we don't make excuses around here. Real men just get on with it. So today we plead for the badge. Another 3 points. We must collect. Anyway, don't know nothing about this team. As you can see, they look like a little balling team. They want to keep the ball. We know we're used to having the ball. Let's see how that's going to affect us as we grow into the game. Ball just being moved around. But let's get it cracking. Anyway, Yellow's just moving the ball around. It's a great save from the boy Chris. Back in goal after a few weeks out.
Well done, Sam. Body on the line.
They get an early one. We've seen us go 1-0 down, so that don't really change much. Again, let's get it cracking. Anyway, ball being moved around.
Unlucky.
Matt to Cam. Cam pass intercepted. Yellow's coming through again. Alright, tell the barman get the champagne off the ice. Looks like we're in a battle here. 2-0 to COG or COG. We started off slow. It was raining that day. It was slippery. We might be heading down a slippery slope. Anyway, 2-0. Looks like we're waking up. Cam coming forward, takes one on, takes two. Gets a shot off, hits the post. We can see that they're balling around and they're passing the ball around. But Cam intercepts that. And they've blocked it. We can see they want to keep the ball, get the shots off. We're used to being that, but now we're on the counter attack. Ball falls to Cam. That's unlucky. I know he saw the camera at the beginning of the game and he said, yeah, tell him to get that in there. Anyway, 2-0 and it seems to be all yellows.
Give him an option.
We need to wake up and fast.
Line, David, line.
Anyway, Cam with it, trying to make something happen. No motion. Gives it to the boy Matt. Matt drives down the line. We've seen it happen before. Good save from the keeper. And the yellow's in the corner. I would have said that was high. Just gets the volley off. Great ball through. Just didn't reach. Anyway, Cam holding off the defender. Stands him up. You know what happens. Not today. Gets the ball back in blood though. He's working. Matt should finish those. 2-0, we're moving a bit rusty right now. Hold on, I recognise that keeper. Isn't that the ref? Anyway, yellow's coming forward. Lose out, Cam pinches. You know how that book ends. 2-1. This is it, we're live now. It's a great save from the boy Chris. Anyway, moving on. That's a great touch inside though. Little man was cold on the day, had bags of energy, kept the ball. He was their playmaker. Looks like they're on fire today. 3-1, slippery slope. We might be slipping further. 4-1. We're not live, but we're gonna bleed. Old boy Dazza dusting off the cobwebs. Gives it to Cam. Cam, Jinky, 3 around him. Still gets a shot off. Keeper saves. Keeper's relaxing on the bar. Should have given him some pints to go with it. Anyway, look, they're just keeping the ball. We're not used to this. Anyway, they give it away. Cam with it. Gets a shot off the crossbar. I told you about that little guy. He was cold, fast with it. Moved in, moved out. Gets a shot off, gets a goal. 5-1, we're down bad right now. I don't think we've ever been down this far. Actually, tell a lie. I think we have. But I don't want to bring up old times. We live in the current. Anyway, I'm chasing down the ball to the corner. Little fake pass. Pass is inadequate. It's no good. Anyway, they're coming forward. It's all yellows. We're trying a thing. David shoots from far. Off the post. All these other goals on other days, they would have gone in. But we can't complain. Punters on the sideline saying it's too easy. Lace up. Let's see how you get on. This was just to showcase 2 things. How they're keeping the ball and our shape. They're not going nowhere. They haven't got many options. They have to go back and forth. But when they find that gap, they get a shot off.
Lil, that was awful from you.
Anyway, Chris rolls it out. No motion. Dazza up front, not moving. Makes a run, no good. Stood still for about 10 seconds. Pass to me, inadequate. It's rough because Sam's out of field. We're used to seeing him in goal. I told you, look, the way they're moving the ball.
Oh, God.
They get one chance. And that's another one. 6-1. It's not even half time. This could be our worst defeat. But the game's not over. There's still time to go. Anyway, let's run it back.
Finish that now, please. Thank you. Unlucky.
I'm on the sideline. I'm asking to finish it, please. I got manners. Anyway, 6-1. They're just controlling the game, keeping the ball. They're just having fun at the moment. They're just passing the ball around. It's looking like a motion picture. It's Cam 1-on-1 with the keeper.
Unlucky, Cam. Head up, head up, head up. Get there, Sam. Put your body in there. Well done. Good. Man now, man now. Well done, Cam. Man, support him. David behind you. Unlucky, keep going.
As you can see, 6-1. We're getting chances, we're just not finishing off our dinner.
Finish it off, please. Unlucky. Hey, head up.
I don't know what their keepers had.
Again.
I don't know what their keeper's taken, but he's saving them.
Unlucky.
Still 6-1.
Matt's middle.
We got the ball somehow.
Ref, how much?
When he sees that back, he'll know it was a foul. Anyway, they're coming forward. They're looking for more.
No set, no set. Someone get out to him.
We're not getting out to them fast enough. It's a good block from Sam. They're just playing the passes around the corner. 1-2's movement.
Push them back. Sam, get out to him. Lead for me, Sam.
Anyway, Yellow's with it.
Again.
Ball
Good,
moved
Sam.
around nicely.
Bleed for me.
Sam
There
wins
you
it
go,
back.
1-on-1, finish now. Good.
I think Cam's waking up now. 6-2. Same theme emerges. Seems like we're playing counter-attacking football today.
Little shoulder, little shoulder, little shoulder. Same, Sam. Lil, that's your man. Come on.
I don't understand this keeper's on steroids.
Benny just strides it, it's scary.
Matt battling. Gives it to Cam. Stands his man up. Passes it to me. Me to Matt. Matt to me. Give it to Dazza. Now Cam. Driving forward.
Save.
Gets a shot off. It's a good save.
Put him on his right, put him on his right.
6-2 and we're looking for a way back. It's not over till the fat lady sinks.
Not more than your left though.
Anyway, Yellow's coming forward.
No.
What's the score? 6-1.
6-2, sorry, yeah.
We can still fucking do it, man. Fuck it. Second half, we'll same shit again. Yeah.
Boys, two of us can't stand
They're not
around as
smashing
well.
us, but yeah, no.
What we're doing is just standing
Players,
watching.
just watching the players.
One
Yeah.
will come here,
no, they're coming
they'll
to-
pass it off, the runners, no one's following him. And then little touch, gone, straight in.
We
That's
follow
what
our runners. We
we-
follow
At the
our
back,
runners, man.
at the back, we're watching the game. We're not picking up on them. We're watching.
And then they're playing.
All right, let's get it cracking. Second half. We have to get into them. Let's get an early goal. Otherwise, it might be a slippery slope. I can smell a comeback. My nose might be blocked. 7-2, they've got an early one. Started off where they left off.
Yeah,
It's not looking good for us.
I like having midgets. But
Anyway, David with the ball tries to find the pass. You know, he's intricate with it. Doesn't quite work off. Anyway, Matt's hustling and busting. Little man gets a toe in there. Anyway, Matt 1-on-1 with the keeper. Keeper's made it so big. It's raining. As you can see on the lens, there's droplets of water.
I think that was a fair tackle down there in that corner. No.
Maybe they're trying to save us from something. I ref that was definitely a foul, but nothing comes from it. Anyway, Yellows keeping possession the same way they started off the first half.
Energy, boys, energy!
But again, they haven't got much options because they're playing at the back. So our shape,
See, look, that one run from midfield, it's 3-on-2 straight away.
anyway, shot coming off. No
Blue,
good,
it's
gone
going in.
wide.
Well done. Well done, love.
It's a great save from the boy Chris. Anyway, Sam's in goal now.
Move for
Little
me, David,
1-2.
move for me. There you go, Cam. Good.
Cam finishes. Comebacks on. 7-3. We smell blood.
Get there,
Told
get
you
there,
things
get
are looking
there.
a bit iffy right now.
Good, start again. Close, too close.
Trying to give the man of energy.
Unlucky.
Doesn't seem to
I
be
will
working though.
invite in the pressure.
Their shots are inadequate. If we can wake up, we can make it happen here. Anyway, slow game.
That's a great save, Sam. Good. Matt's
Little
across.
intricate one in.
Good. Finish.
To Matt.
Unlucky.
Keeper.
This keeper saved so much shots. I don't think normal keepers would have saved them. He's definitely helped his team.
Make the move. Make the move.
Anyway, he came with a long shot. It's another save from the keeper.
Hey, there's one wide. One wide.
Anyway, they're coming forward. He goes by himself though. 8-3. Shot off just wide. Another one, shot, saved. Matt misses it. Tries to drag it across the camp. Right, they're coming forward. Little 1, 2, 3, 4. The way they're passing and moving. Look at when they get the ball, they pass and they move. They find a little opening, they shoot. Sam with a great save onto the bar. The clips don't do it justice. But it was all them. We could have done better here still. I could have done better there, definitely. Trying to get it across. Little back heel. Goes through the keeper's legs. It's too wide for Cam. Cuts his man. Keeper's made some great saves. Sam into me. Me into Cam. The 1-2.
Got time.
Keeper's legs. 8-4. We've cut their lead into half now. Surely this is where the comeback happens. I would have put my house on Cam scoring this. The boy does are dusting off the boots. Had to stick some tape around them. The bottom were talking. Anyway, gets his shot off. It's gone wide. Cam finishes his dinner. Told you we're playing counter-attacking football. We've cut the lead down to 3 goals. We're like sharks. We smell blood. We smell fear. We're back in the mix. 8-6. They've slowed down. We've woken up. Cam battling real hard. He puts one in. I get the ball back. Start it. Momentum slowed down. Ref saved them. And we're coming forward. Little ball in. Oh, if Matt gets to that, I'm sure that goes over the keeper. 8-7. And the ref calls a foul. They can't spoil our party. 9-6. Sticks and stones may break my bones. But another goal's gonna break my heart. (10-6). Ref seems to be taking sides. We get on with it. One thing they say about it in football is once the ref made the decision, just listen to him. Anyway, another opportunity squandered. Hit the crossbar and they're coming forward. They've gone into the corner. Been ushered down.
Dude! Oh my God!
Not gonna lie, Matt. 100%. You can see another one. 11-6. Rain's coming down in full force. England lost the day before. I feel like Jude Bellingham. Anyway, David getting the ball back out to me. I'm in the corner, trying to find an option. Ball into Cam. Another chance gone wide. Rain, sleet, snow, sun. They found a way to get another one. 12-6. My heart's in bits. And the way it's raining, I feel like a fish. But I look like a fish out of water. Anyway, they still keep popping the ball around. They've woken back up after we got so close to getting back. Almost there. But we just couldn't get back. .6, the heavens have opened. And there doesn't seem to be much motion right now. They seem to have the ball getting shots off at will. But we've got to shout out everyone because they've tried, they've put in a shift. We're still battling, 12-6. We're still battling, we're still going. Mike has a shot off, saved by the keeper.
Oh, Lil.
Great individual goal from him still. Nice little turn, took it by himself, bottom corner.
Sam, do you ever use your hand?
He tries it off again. 13-6.
I'm next to Corona.
David's still going to war. Loses out. They come forward, he's got quick feet. He seems to be dancing in circles. Looks like Bambi on ice. Sam pushes it into the goal. Anyway, shot from kick-off.
Seems to be us on different.
Save, just wide.
Beat us all overall. Well done. Let's have the same team next time, man.
This is my normal team. All my boys are on holiday. There's like 3 or 4 that don't like I'm rotate the team, innit? These all played for me before, innit? These are just the ones that aren't on holiday. Yeah. It's not like I've just gone, they've played for me before. I'll be honest, all of them. I was starting in Div 4, so they've started from Div 4 up.
Last couple seconds of the game, you can hear what he's saying. He's saying that this is his normal team. We'll see you next time.
So it's his first game back
He
since.
fucking saved you, though. Let's be honest, yeah. He's kept you in the game.
And I'll finish it.
No, it's been alright, you know.
Normally it's right.
Now you don't knew you were playing top of the league. You thought, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't play.
Come.
Pussies at their ears. 3 pussies.
Quick look at the scores around the league. JCFC doing a job. CLG doing a job. Crash Potatoes doing a job. Let's take a look at the league table. We're still at the top, but they're climbing back. But that don't mean nothing, man. You know it ain't gonna stop us. Anyway, it's CC forever. Big up the chairman. Big up the players. See you all next week, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.